torrential downpours throughout the state. Adam and I, we got lost, and it's now 1 a.m., and we're in Hillsborough, North Carolina, and at a very cheap microtel hotel, um, which I suppose is the adult thing to do, to stop and get a hotel, I guess, instead of continuing to drive in the rain and be lost and listen to Bon Iver, which is actually really scary when it's pouring and you can't see anything. Um, I could have kept drinking Red Bull, but I want to feel okay tomorrow, I guess. So anyway, this hotel's scary because there's a huge mirror behind us, and that's the bed we'll be sharing. I'm into sharing a bed with Adam, but he's not so much. Adam, how do you feel about sharing a bed with me while I'm bleeding? Turned on. What? Oh, risque. Um. Anyway, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Hopefully, we'll get to Myrtle Beach at some point. And on Thursday, all of America can fist turkeys together.